Belfast Building and Roofing offers you a wide range of services using the latest thermal and acoustic solutions, giving you real savings and real comfort.
So now we job up in St Brendan's here, up in Sydenham. What's that, Larkfield Road or whatever? Yeah, just there's one main sort of reasonable sized felt roof, and then there's a roof over the hall or the porch at the front, and basically with some tiling to do on the main part of the roof. But basically the existing felt, you can see there where we've opened it all up, and burnt them down with flamethrower. Then we've got another layer of 4mm, which we've bled through, but we've put polymer sealer on them as well, and then you can see where we've got the solar sealer, double solar sealer on it before we give the whole thing 2 coats, which is a good job. And also, there's a porch roof at the front there which we had to sort of just repair, and then I had to stick a few tiles on the main roof, which isn't really. I mean, we use the same ladders as a townhouse. The gutter probably the same. Yeah, it's probably roughly about this. Don't be slightly bigger than a townhouse, but got it all closed in, got away. 3 days all in. Okay, so this is James G. Signing out. Till the next time. Bye for now.